Starting to rain. Getting a little thunderstorm coming through. We've been hard at work on the drag hatch again.
Yeah, did you show them how carried away I got with it yet?
Not yet. We're about to go check it out.
I did get a little carried away.
We've got both the quarter panels stripped down to metal. They're ready for body work.
Yeah, it had a original paint job and then had been painted before, and then had spray paint and Bondo on top of that, but somebody did a DIY, so I wanted to go ahead and get rid of all that and give a nice fresh clean surface to start out with, so I ended up grinding everything off.
Yeah, it looks great. Got the new hood put on.
The metal's in pretty good shape, honestly.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
It's not bad. It had the typical rusted out quarters, like from the sunroof tubes leaking, but
yeah,
we got all that patched in with fresh metal. Cut it all out, patched it up.
Yeah, and honestly, it's really not bad. So yeah, guys, these quarter panels are going to be next in primer, and then we're probably going to be starting on the engine bay and actually working on getting the car running and driving before we do any more body work.
That means we have to pick a color.
Yeah, we got to pick a color. We ended up getting the quarter panels into primer. They're looking great. The roof is in primer. So we are just moving right along on this project. Let me show you the
disaster of the engine bay. You want to see this. This ain't no fun.
Oh yeah, you are going at it over here.
Trying to get this spray paint off so it doesn't react to real paint.
Yeah, you guys can't smell it through the camera, but it is straight up brake cleaner over here.
It's about the easiest way.
Yeah, it's definitely working.
Still gonna have to sand it, but
yeah, this
at
had
least it strips off the top layer, thick nasty layer of spray paint pretty good.
hopefully this weekend we're gonna be having the engine bay finished up. But I don't know, that's being pretty optimistic. All right, babe, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the roll cage while you finish up the engine bay.
Whoa, looks like you've been hard at work.
Yeah, this thing is, yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah, looks like you got a lot of it sanded.
Yep, most of it.
You're almost there, man. You're making progress.
I still got a little bit left, but I got a lot of it done tonight.
Yeah, you got this jungle gym sanded. Practically a jungle gym, huh?
Yeah, feels like it, climbing around in here.
Yeah, it's looking good.
But yeah.
It's almost ready for paint.
Almost.
A little bit more sanding. Another day of sand, another night of sanding, it'll be ready to go.
Definitely. It's looking good.
Yep, good job.
Thanks, babe. I'm beat. What's up, guys? We're hanging out in the shop, working on the drag hatch tonight. Let me show you the progress that I've made on the roll cage. It's pretty much finished. I do have a couple more spots to sand up, but they're hard to reach with the sander, so I'm gonna be hand sanding them. But it is mostly finished. Jake's been hard at work on the engine bay. You can see everything is sanded. He's been grinding down these spots over here. He's doing a great job. And we've got the color narrowed down. But these are the top 5 colors that we have chosen as possible colors for the drag hatch. Which one will we pick? Subscribe to find out. You tricked me.
Tricked you?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean?
How awesome this engine bay looks. And then I've got the roll cage done. That looks really good too. So I thought, all right, we're pretty much to our goal for the week. And then you dropped this on me. You want to tell them what we added to our mission?
Well, we decided since we were gonna haul it up to the shop to paint it, we might as well go ahead and paint the door jambs too.
Yes.
So now we added engine bay, roll cage, inside of the car, and now door jambs added to the list.
Yes. So all the fun continues tonight. We're cleaning them and we're getting ready to start sanding. We'll catch back up with you guys after we're finished getting everything prepped. Are y'all ready to see how awesome the roll cage turned out? It was a late night last night, but it was so worth it. The roll cage looks gorgeous. We're really happy with how it turned out. Now we need to unwrap the car, get rid of all this foil and tape. That way we can get it loaded up onto the trailer and take it to the paint shop.